Ayurvedic and herbal medicine combine centuries of traditional knowledge with modern manufacturing practices to deliver safe, natural, and effective healthcare solutions. From herbal powders and tablets to syrups, oils, capsules, and wellness formulations, manufacturers must maintain consistent quality, precise formulations, and complete traceability throughout the production process. PMTechERP is a comprehensive ERP solution designed to streamline every stage of Ayurvedic and herbal product manufacturing while improving efficiency, compliance, and operational excellence. With PMTechERP, every business function is integrated into a single intelligent platform. From raw material procurement and herbal ingredient management to formulation planning, batch production, inventory control, quality assurance, packaging, warehousing, and distribution, every process is seamlessly connected. This eliminates manual operations, improves collaboration, and provides complete visibility across the manufacturing lifecycle. Advanced batch production planning enables manufacturers to manage multiple formulations, monitor material consumption, optimize equipment utilization, and maintain consistent product quality. Real-time production tracking helps reduce delays, improve resource utilization, and ensure every batch is manufactured according to defined standards. Quality management